Hey everyone, want to know of a great place to stay that brings the outdoors in and that's only 5 minutes from Disney World? Well, stay tuned and we're going to show you a great place called the Gaylord Palms. But before we begin, make sure that you are hitting that subscribe button, hitting the notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you like travel videos and want to see more hotel reviews, theme park reviews, and travel experiences. So without further delay, let's jump into it. Alright, so in this video we're going to cover a few things. We're going to cover the distance to Disney, we're going to cover some of the rooms, restaurants, and of course the entertainment on property. So first things first, what is the distance from the Gaylord Palms to Disney World? Alright, so a quick Google Map search, if you Google Gaylord Palms and the Disney World Resort. Now we're not talking a specific park, we're just talking about the resort as a whole, including all 4 parks. If you Google it, it will be about 4 minutes or about a 1.3 mile drive to the actual entrance of the official gate of Walt Disney World. But if you see the dotted line actually is showing you different points inside the Walt Disney World Resort. As you can see, Pop Century and Disney's Art of Animation are very, very close to the entrance of one of the gates at Walt Disney World. But if we go ahead and do a quick Google search for Magic Kingdom, so from Gaylord Palms to the Magic Kingdom, you're going to see it's about a 10-minute ride or about 6 miles. Honestly, that is just all the way through Walt Disney World Resort. So you're not necessarily exiting, you're actually seeing all of the different sites along the way, including the different entrances to all of the other parks. And that will lead you to Magic Kingdom. It is one of the closest hotels that you can possibly get that is not a Disney hotel. And they offer free shuttle service to Disney World. You just have to follow the schedule at the concierge desk. Now, if you want to go to Universal or SeaWorld, they do also have a shuttle service. However, it is $21 per person for a round trip. So if you're not in the mood to rent a car or you're not familiar with driving around in the United States, you can opt for that option, or you can just grab an Uber. More information in the description below on Good Neighbor Hotels, Ubers, and other info that I just mentioned. Next up, we have the rooms. So the Gaylord Palms features 2 different styles of rooms. One is the atrium view, which includes a beautiful view of the inside of the atrium. The next view is the Florida view. The Florida view is a basic out the window type view where you can get either a parking lot or you can get a beautiful scenery of the Central Florida area. I'm going to show you my version of a fail. Originally, we had requested the atrium view, which we were hoping to see the beautiful Christmas decorations. Unfortunately, that was not the reality. This is what we got. This part of the hotel is near the back of the hotel and it kind of bends around a certain corner, which is why we were not able to see the beautiful Christmas tree decorations in the atrium. So after being slightly disappointed, we decided to change our room and go with the Florida view. Honestly, it didn't disappoint. We had a pretty decent view, and the cost of the Florida view usually is less than the atrium view. So this little move here saved us about $50 per night. So now on to the rooms. Now these rooms are quite spacious. They do have a lot of walking room, and they do have a very contemporary / slightly traditional decor. Now there's no big crazy design going on here. It's just a warm neutral palette, which makes it for a nice relaxing stay. It does not have any standout decor like any signature pieces or anything. And this room in particular does have a safe and a refrigerator, which is also good when you have your own drinks to store, especially when you have smaller kids, if you have baby bottles and things like that. Now, this is the view outside the Florida view. This is a very beautiful view at night, especially here during Christmas time. It is very beautiful. They have white lights all over those palm trees, so when you look outside, it is really a nice view. And just a little secret tip, on certain sides of the hotel, you may be able to see Disney fireworks. Alright everyone, so now we're going to go over the restaurants at the Gaylord Palms. There are 6 full-service restaurants, including a sports bar and a full buffet, even upscale dining for you couples that want to take a little date night. So anyway, going on to Wrecker Sports Bar is actually where we ate. It is typical American fare. You have your typical burgers, salads, things like that. And even for the kids, you have your chicken tenders as well, which were actually quite delicious. And I highly recommend that instead of the fries, you go with the tater tots. The tater tots were way more delicious than the fries. They were not bad, but definitely prefer the tater tots. They also have a coffee bean coffee house that serves Starbucks coffee. Now, this place is not all that to rave about. Okay, so if you're just looking for a quick cup of coffee, that's fine. But if you're gonna eat breakfast, unless you're in a super rush, I wouldn't highly recommend this place. I would either go outside or go to one of the restaurants. But if you're just looking for something quick and grab and go, then this is okay. Now we're gonna talk about the entertainment. The Gaylord Palms is probably honestly one of the best places to be during Christmas time. They have amazing decor and decorations. They have character breakfasts that are geared toward Christmas, including the Elf on the Shelf character breakfast. And of course, you cannot miss the famous ice exhibit. This exhibit comes by every Christmas time, and every year is a different theme. The year that we went, they had a Christmas story theme, which was totally amazing. And as you can see over here, everybody has blue parkers that you are loaned, not given, loaned for free. And just make sure that when you do come to this event that you are not in shorts or flip-flops. You will be guaranteed to come out like an icicle. So just make sure you are coming dressed warmly, long sleeves, long pants, socks, sneakers or boots. And of course, try to bring some gloves if you have them readily available. Also, just know that they do have a really awesome, or dare I say cool, ice slide that you can slide down. And just know that it is for all ages and everyone will definitely enjoy this event. Oh, and I almost forgot, they actually have a free Cirque du Soleil style show. And this is completely complimentary and it is located in the atrium. Just be sure to follow the guide. And of course, this is only during the Christmas holiday season. Oh my gosh, you guys, I totally forgot to tell you about the pool. They have multiple pools on the property and they all have something for everyone to enjoy, all the way from the kids' splash area to the bigger kids' side with the big water slides. They even have a flow rider and even a movie pool or pool with a movie. So there's something for everyone at the Gaylord Palms, and I know that you are not going to regret your stay here. This is a hotel that is close to Disney with Disney amenities, except it doesn't have the Disney feel. So if you're not interested in all of the Disney characters and Disney, stuff, then come stay here and you will enjoy all of the feel of a Disney hotel without the decor or scenery of a Disney hotel, if you catch my drift. Anyway, guys, I know there's been a few more subscribers than we had in our last couple of videos. So thank you to all those new faces that have subscribed. And thank you not only for subscribing, but for watching. If there's anything else you guys would like to see from this channel, send us your thoughts. You can do that by commenting below and just let us know what you think. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And we will be sure to do more videos for you coming soon. And as always, have a happy and safe vacation. Bye!